This is our hotel. Our room for 8 nights here in Dubai Creek Hotel. This is our room. And this is the toilet. Ooh, their toilet this one. And living room. Look at the kitchen. Full living room. And we'll see the porch. This is the porch area. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful porch. Yes, they upgraded us. Wow. They upgrade us, honey. Beautiful. Look at the Burj Khalifa is over there. The tallest tower in the world. That's it, Burj Khalifa. Yeah, have a good house. This is our room for 8 days. Then we'll show you our bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Big bedroom. Look at this, the big mirror. Yeah. And this is the door. Oops. But cannot open. Yeah, I cannot open. Why? Cannot open. They like it. Yeah. It's nice. Oh, and yeah, we have a good house. Good hotel for 8 days. Lots of cabinet. Lots of cabinet, but our luggage is missing. That's it. We need to shop because our luggage is missing. Oh, this is the toilet. The second, look at the number 2 toilet. It's big. Look at this. The bathtub and this is the shower. Yeah. The lady, the receptionist, they upgraded us for free with the creek view.
That's nice of them.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye for now. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.